अच्छी है डोसा प्लीज।
अभी
हाँ हाँ मैं
अभी
मैम यहाँ पर थी। एक मिनट रुकिए।
चलो यार
हाँ
अभी
बिपाशा जी एक मिनट रुकिए। आज तो बहुत छपवाने हैं बोले।
हो गया ना तुम लोग
Thank
का
you,
प्रेस
thank you.
कॉन्फ्रेंस।
फिर भी आप
Hi.
Tell us what you're wearing today.
What I'm wearing today it's an outfit from Mango from London. Yeah.
Okay, and today is John Calendar's release. So how you feel?
It feels good. He's a good-looking man. It's a good-looking calendar. So we shot him really beautifully, and I have helped in a little bit of selection. So I hope everyone likes it. I think it's a good compilation of pictures.
So which one is your favorite since you've helped them?
I think it's the Jan picture because that's my birthday month, and I was allowed to choose that picture.
One last thing, what do you think is John's sex appeal?
I think it's the overall package of a human being that could be called their sex appeal. It's the way you look, it's the way you carry yourself, your personality, a totality of everything. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Hello. Yes. What an invitation I got, huh?
You have to be nice.
It will take very long. Rohit.